day, ma'am and sir. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Mary Vijoy Adamas. I am 25 years old. I am a junior high school finisher, but I graduated as a caregiving and I am an in-situ holder. And I have two children. My firstborn was 7 years old and my second is 3 years old. I am a single mother. We are 5 siblings. I am the second child. And I work here in the Philippines as a housemaid. I do multitask household works. And then, when I graduated caregiving, I work as a caregiver for 3 months. I am a hardworking, trustworthy, and fast learner person. But ma'am sir, I have a tattoos in my right hand, here. But tattoos doesn't interfere with my work. Ma'am sir, if you hire me or to choose me to serve your family, I will do my best to hard work and taking good care of your children. And I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.